First, open your web browser and search for Element 3D plugin, free download. Click on the link from Video Copilot. It should be the first result. Once you're on the Video Copilot website, scroll down until you find Element 3D. You'll see download options for both Windows and Mac. In this tutorial, we'll choose Windows, but the steps are similar for Mac. Click the download button and download the file. Once it's downloaded, go to the folder where the file is saved. It will be a zip file, so you'll need to extract it first. You can extract it anywhere on your computer. After extracting, open the folder and double-click the installer file to start the installation. You'll see a license agreement. Click I agree to continue. Next, choose where you want to install Element 3D. You can leave it as the default location or choose your own. Then click Install. The installation will begin and may take a few minutes. Once it's done, open After Effects and create a new composition using any settings you like. To check if Element 3D is installed, go to the Effects and Presets panel. Type Element into the search bar. If you see Element 3D under Video Copilot, it means the plugin was installed successfully. And that's it. Now you can start using Element 3D in your After Effects projects. If you found this video useful, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.